Got it running. The 53 Chevy on an S10 frame is running with the 4-cylinder in it. Do a little walk around. It's probably going to be terrible. I'm not doing a camcorder. Doing a digital camera. It started. Oh, look at that. We got tail lights. Fixed the wiring problem. It's going to be on the body next. That's going to be fun. Can't even see shit. Got the 99 S10 dash in here. I should probably grab a drop light, but I don't feel like it. But, it's running. More than it was doing. So, that's a good thing. Walk you over here a minute. Let's see if the Z wants to start. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. I got a bad trigger wire I'm figuring out. Come on, Peggy. Stalled before I get to the throttle. That's the trigger wire for the fuel injection. Got 2 running. Life is good. Not too bad. This one doesn't like the idle. I've been plugging up vacuum leaks on it. I don't know if you can hear it in this video. It's chugging pretty bad. And there it goes. So we'll turn the key off. That's enough for now. And there's the 51. 51. If anybody wants a good deal on a 1977 Mercedes 300D, there it is. Look, I'll do the walk around. Oh yeah, that's the whole car. Till next time.